Hi guys, hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. I'm a digital marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to test your Facebook posts before they go out to the wider audience. Guys, I did a video on this before, but it was a very quick video. And I've been getting a lot of people asking me to do the same video, but to slow it down step by step. So that's what I'm gonna do for you guys. Guys, this tool is amazing because it enables us to test our organic Facebook posts to see which ones connect, to see which ones resonate with our audience before it's shown to the wider audience. Guys, I love this tool. I use it all the time. And guys, I'm not gonna waste no time. Let's get into the video. Hi guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to test your Facebook posts. Guys, this is an amazing tool, especially if you want to test a bunch of posts or you want to see which post is going to do better. Like, this tool is going to put you ahead in terms of getting that organic reach as well, right? So guys, what you want to do, right? You want to get to this page right here. This is the Meta Business Suite. You want to get here. For those of you who don't know how to get here, all you got to do is type in Facebook Business Manager into Google and click enter. Then right here, you want to click this option right here. And once you click here, it's going to take you here. So this is how you get here, right? Now, guys, in order to have access to the test posting tool, what you want to do, you want to go to the planner right here. And as you can see here, you've got this little calendar right here. So this is the planner, right? This is where you can schedule your content, manage your content, create your content, and all that great stuff. Now, once you get here, you want to click on this create tool on the top right-hand corner. And once you click there, this option is going to show up, right? This option, this pop-up is going to show up, right? And this is where we now are going to find that tool that's going to help us to test our Facebook posts first before, and to ensure that the winner gets shown to the wider audience. But guys, before I show you how to do that, I want to quickly show you this. So guys, in Skillshare, I created a mini course showing you how to create an effective creative strategy in Facebook ads to help you get results. Guys, this strategy, I always do it with my small clients, medium-sized clients, my large clients. I always do it, and it works every time. Guys, if you want to have access to it, all you got to do is click the link in the description so you can have access to it. It's completely free for a month, and also you can cancel at any time. So really, there's nothing to lose. So guys, if you're interested, click the link in the bio so you can see the rest of this mini course. So let's get back to the rest of the video. Now, once you get here, guys, what you got to do, you want to make sure that this option, Facebook, is selected. You want to make sure that your page, Facebook page, is selected, right? And then you want to scroll all the way down to here. To here, guys, create A/B test. As you can see here, it says test up to 4 versions of this post for 30 minutes and automatically post the one that gets the most reactions to your page. So what happens is that when you put the different posts on there, it's going to show them to small sections of your audience. And the one that gets the most reactions, the one that gets the most likes, the one that gets the most shares, that's the post that's going to stay up. So that will ensure that, okay, if you've got a winning post already, that post is going to stay up so it can continue winning and can continue getting that organic reach and more shares and all that good stuff, right? So guys, I'm going to show you how it works. So once you get here, you click create A/B test, right? Also, another thing, guys, also for those of you wondering how it works, as you can see here, it says each version of your post will be shown to separate groups of people in your audience. When the test ends, the winning version will continue running. That's basically what I just said earlier, but this is basically Facebook's definition of what this is about. So guys, to get this test going, all you got to do is click here, create A/B test. And what you're going to see here, guys, you're going to see edit version A and edit version B. Now, this is basically where you put the different pieces of content. So you can have content A that you can upload here and content B that uploads here, right? So just an example, I'm going to upload some content just so you can get that real world example. So I'm going to upload an image here. So guys, as you can see here, I've uploaded an image here and uploaded an image here, right? Also, you can add text. And if you want, you can also add a link here as well. It's totally up to you. But for the sake of the video, I'm just going to have these two images. As you can see, these are two completely different images, right? And when the test is being ran, one of these images is going to get more likes and shares. One of them is going to perform better than the other. And that's the one that's going to stay up on your Facebook page, right? And also, if you wanted to do other versions like A, B, C, then you can just click here, add new version. So you can do A, B, C, D, E, like it doesn't have to be A/B test. It could be A, B, C, D, and so on and so forth. But remember, you can only test 4 different versions, just 4 versions, right? That's the limit, 4 for now. You can only do 4. So as you can see, these are 2 different images, right? And then once you've chosen your 2 different image posts, for example, right? And also, it's not just different images. You can test different text. You can have this one has a different text to the other one. But make sure that when you're testing one element at a time. So you know which one was the deciding factor. Could it have been the text? Could it have been the image? And then once you've done that, got these 2 different images, you just basically click next. Now, as you can see here, guys, we've got this image and we've got this image right here, right? We've got A and we've got B, right? I love this tool, guys. It's amazing. And then what you can do is, if you want to publish straight away, you can. It's totally up to you. But also, you can also schedule the post. So if you want it to go out at a certain time, then you can as well. And what you're going to find is that as these 2 are going, one of them is going to perform better than the other. And the one that performs better is going to stay on your page. It's going to stay up on the page. So you can continue to get more organic reach, continue to get that engagement and all that good stuff. Guys, you notice that this tool can only be done on Facebook, on your Facebook page. It can't be done on Instagram. But what you can do is you can get the learning. So the one that does better out of these 2, you can put that one that did better onto your Instagram. Can you see? So it minimizes the amount of risk. It minimizes the amount of putting out stuff out and it flops and it doesn't do well. It minimizes the likelihood of that happening. So you're going off of proven posts or proven creative, right? So you can get these learnings that you got here and put it on your Instagram. Or you could get these learnings that you got here, put it on your Twitter or wherever social media platform that you are using for your business. Yeah. And also when it's testing, it only tests for 30 minutes, right? Only tests for 30 minutes. So guys, give this a go. It's a great tool because it's going to give you a very clear picture of what type of content performs better for your audience, and especially for the wider audience. So you can use those learnings and implement them for your Instagram or for creating other content on other social media platforms. Right? So guys, take advantage of this tool. Use this tool. It's completely free. And also another thing as well, you can use this data and use that as creative. So the best performing picture, you can use that as creative for your paid ads. Again, it minimizes the risk again, because you only want to be using creative assets that work, that people resonate with, that people connect with. Yeah. So guys, use this. You know, as far as I know, I don't know any other social media platform that allows you to test your posts. I don't. So I've got to give huge respect to Meta, to Facebook for coming up with this tool, because it's going to help a lot of businesses and personal brands as well. It's going to help a lot of people. But anyway, guys, use this as part of your strategy. And as usual, I'll be coming out with more tips and tricks to help you guys in your business. Take care, guys.